I'm going to demonstrate now how to hang heavy items like pictures, mirrors, clocks or whatever onto a plasterboard wall using these GeeFix fixings. Ideal for mounting really heavy items or lightweight items onto the plasterboard wall. I'm going to hang some pictures on here to demonstrate how they are used. As you can see, this is curved like that, and this will fit into a cavity as shallow as 30mm. So you simply feed your fixing into the cavity, position it where you like. So I'm going to put it at that angle, on that way. Pull on the cord, engage the screw with your hand, and simply tighten, pulling on the cord. Fix 2 retaining smaller screws. Holds the back plate in position. Remove the centre screw. Now you can buy these little brass plated picture hooks for mirrors or whatever. Use the centre screw. Tighten, and you're ready to hang your picture. Now this is super strong. Now on a shear strength, pulling down on that, so if you had a picture, it would hold a picture or whatever up to 270 kilograms. Mount your picture, position it. On larger pictures you could use 2 or 3 fixings if you wanted, or you can use these types which screw onto the back and then simply fix into the fixing the same. There we have it. On a small picture of the door, fix in, into your handle.